Hi folks, welcome back to English Destination. In today's session, you are going to learn phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are very important in daily English conversation. You can express your thoughts, feelings, ideas, emotions effectively through phrasal verbs. Here you will come across many phrasal verbs which have different meanings according to their different contexts. So you have to understand them first and then use them. In today's video, you will learn phrasal verbs in a unique and interesting way that you have never learned before. So what are you waiting for? Let's begin. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. And hit your precious comments too. Cheer up, it means to make happier.
He was sick, so I sent bouquet to cheer him up.
Break up, it means to end or to finish something.
The meeting broke up just before lunch.
Back up, it means extra help, support or make a copy of.
Always make a backup of your files.
Drop off, it means to fall into a light sleep.
I dropped off at the theater.
Break off, it means suddenly stop doing or saying something.
He started speaking and suddenly he broke off in the middle of the sentence.
Give up, it means quit or to stop trying.
He gave up hope of surviving.
Come across, it means to find someone or something by chance.
I came across these old photos of my childhood recently.
Look at, it means to examine.
Look at her decent attire.
Hang out, it means to keep company or to spend time.
I spent the whole day hanging out with my friends.
Look after, it is used in the sense of taking care of someone or something.
She looked after my pets when I was away.
Look for, it is used in the sense of searching for or trying to find something.
She was looking for a good job.
Add on, it means to include.
Don't forget to add on your traveling expenses.
Add up, it means to make sense.
I am sorry, but your story doesn't add up.
Bring to light, it means to reveal, to expose or to disclose.
Her research has brought to light new information about space.
Call on, it means to visit.
I am leaving early tomorrow to call on my friend.
Cheer on, it means to praise or to encourage.
The performers were cheered on by the crowd.
Cut in, it means to interrupt someone.
She kept cutting in on our conversation.
Cut off, it means to stop or discontinue.
She cut herself off from all human contacts.
Fall apart, it means to break into parts.
My bookcase is falling apart.
Fill in, fill out or fill up means to complete.
Please fill in the form to make an order.
Get along with, it means to be friendly with someone.
I get along with my friend.
Break down, it means to lose control or collapse.
The young woman broke down in tears.
Call off. It means to cancel.
I have to call off my party due to bad weather.
Go ahead. It means to permit to do something.
Go ahead, I won't interrupt you anymore.
Check out means to pay the bill and depart.
Guests must check out of the rooms by noon.
Grow up means to develop into an adult or to become mature.
She should grow up and accept her responsibilities.
Give up means to stop trying or quit.
The book was so long and tedious that I gave up and didn't finish it.
Put off means to postpone or delay.
They can't put off the decision much longer.
Go out with it means to have a romantic date.
She was so excited when he asked her to go out with him.
Throw away or throw out means to put in the rubbish bin.
The child threw away some old shoes.
Put on means to wear or to apply something.
I'm going to put a bit of makeup on tonight.
Put back. It means to return something to its place.
I read the book and put it back on the shelf.
Put away means to store.
Let's put these decorations away until next Christmas.
Wash up means to clean using water.
I will wash up if you cook lunch.
Eat out means to eat in restaurants.
How often do you eat out?
Put up with means to tolerate.
I'm too tired to put up with any nonsense.
Come up with means to produce or to introduce or bring forward.
She came up with new ideas for increasing sales.
Pay for means to be punished for doing something bad.
We all pay for our mistakes in some way.
Take over means an act of taking control or to take charge of.
My friend has taken over responsibilities for this project.
Get away from. It means succeed in escaping.
The thieves got away from the showroom.
Ease off means to become less strong.
The rain had eased off.
Get back to. It means to return to a place or a person.
I will get back to you once I finish my work.
Dabble in. It means to try activity for a short time.
When he was younger, he dabbled in astrology.
Send off means farewell or saying goodbye.
Her parents gave her an emotional send-off.
Speak of. It means to talk about or to show or remark on.
Her rich library spoke of her love of reading.
Speak of. It means to speak loudly or to express an opinion frankly.
He spoke of against mismanagement.
Get along. It means to have a friendly relationship.
She never got along with her sister.
Bump into. It means to meet someone unexpectedly or by chance.
Ria bumped into her friend's mother at the mall.
Hang in. It means carry on.
Hanging there, I am sure you will get a job soon.
Single out. It means to choose a person or thing from a group for a special attention.
The coach singled out the players who played poorly.
Turn down. It means to reject, refuse or decline.
She turned down the opportunity to work in London.
Whip up. It means to encourage, activate, excite, nurture or rouse.
His speech whipped up the crowd.
End in. It means to conclude, finish, close or complete.
The race and a dinner time.
Juice up. It means to give life or energy.
This charger is powerful enough to juice up all kinds of Android mobiles.
Keep off. It means stay off or keep away or stay away from.
Keep the flies off the food.
Log in. It means to connect yourself to a computer system.
I logged in using his password.
Ring back. It means to phone someone again.
I will ring you back later.
Slow down. It means to decrease or lessen.
Slow down. You are driving too fast.
Calm down. It means to become calm or chill out or cool off.
Calm down for a minute and listen to me.
Come from. It means to live or have been born in a place.
She comes from a wealthy family.
Pass away. It means to die.
He passed away yesterday.
Break up or split up means end a relationship.
They broke up after 6 months.
Wake up. It means to become awake.
I woke up late this morning.
Stay in. It means to stay at home.
I would like to stay in.
Stay up. It means to go to bed late.
She stayed up until 2 a.m.
Hangover. It means headache or after effects. Hangover is a headache and feeling of sickness that you have after drinking too much alcohol.
They had a hangover after the party.
Hang on or hold on means to wait.
Can you hang on for a moment?
Stay over. It means to spend the night somewhere else.
My sister sometimes stays over and sleeps in her office.
Move in. It means to shift or to start living in a new house.
Our neighbor moved in day before yesterday.
Wear out. It means to exhaust.
The kids have totally worn me out.
Take off. It means to leave or to remove.
It's too hot, so I'm taking my coat off.
Knock off. It means to stop working.
They usually try to knock off early on Saturday.
Toss around. It means to discuss ideas or possibilities.
We tossed some thoughts around suggestions for improving services.
Map out. It means outline, sketch out or set out.
We mapped out a plan of action.
Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon in my next session. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep liking, keep sharing and keep subscribing. Stay tuned.